So I'm Dr. Rico Short, board certified endodontist, and one of the things that we are concerned about is cross reaction of different solutions when we're irrigating the canal system. So I have here the Chlor Extra by Vista Apex. This is 6% sodium hypochlorite with surface modifying agents and wetting factors here. And also I have Smear Off, which is the EDTA based solution, but it has chlorhexidine in it. So the question is, what's going to happen if you're irrigating the canal system and you happen to mix the two? Well, let's take a look. We're going to take this off here, and then we're going to put some of the sodium hypochlorite inside this clear container here. So we can see the sodium hypochlorite is nice and clear. All right. And we are going to take some of the Smear Off, which is the EDTA based formula with chlorhexidine, and we're going to actually mix it. So you can see as it mixes here, there's no real brown precipitant. Yes, you do have a little color change, but there's no significant brown precipitant that you would have if you mixed the sodium hypochlorite with chlorhexidine by itself. So this is really safe. And most of the time what I do in practice, I use Chlor Extra, and I like to agitate it. I like to use the Endo Ultra, and then I come back and I use the Smear Off as a final rinse. And also the cool thing with the Smear Off is the Smear Off, you don't have to necessarily final rinse this like you have to do the EDTA. Just using 17% EDTA, the study shows that you have to rinse it with about a minute using sodium hypochlorite. With the Smear Off, you don't have to. In fact, if you leave the Smear Off in there, it has the chlorhexidine in it. We know the chlorhexidine has substantivity, and it will give you more antibacterial, antimicrobial properties as it goes throughout the dentin and the dental tubules as well. Take, for example, this 2% chlorhexidine solution, and we mixed it with sodium hypochlorite, which is a standard bleach. Look at this precipitate that's formed. It's called parachlorine, and some of the studies show that it is carcinogenic, so we cannot mix those directly. But if you mix the Smear Off with the Chlor Extra, which is sodium hypochlorite and also EDTA and chlorhexidine, you don't get that dark precipitant. It gets a little cloudy, but this is very safe. So you do not want to have this inside the root canal system. You rather have something clear like this that's safe. So that's why I really like using Chlor Extra in combination with the Smear Off. And remember, you do not have a final rinse with this.